It's Peak's first ever wireless tattoo machine with a fully adjustable stroke. Yeah, you heard that right, first ever. Get ready to take the next step in Peak's massive evolution with the Solice Pro. Fully adjustable stroke, wireless power pack battery, Rca Module option, $549 price tag, come on. That's all you really need to know. But we'll still break it down for you anyway. The biggest standout is the adjustable stroke from 2.4 millimeters up to 4.2 millimeters, giving you a bunch of different machines all in one. The Solice Pro comes with a magnetic power pack battery, offering up to 10 hours of tattooing power on a single charge. It also connects wirelessly to the Radix foot switch, allowing you to tattoo in continuous and momentary modes. But if you still want the classic Rca hookup option, the Solice Pro also comes with an Rca module and an Rca cord as well. Also included with the machine are these battery pack converters. They give you the ability to turn the power pack into a separate battery pack compatible with Rca and 3.5 millimeter input machines. As you can see with the battery connection here, the Solice Pro machine is also compatible with the original Peak Solice power pack batteries. And to top everything off, the Solice Pro comes with an incredible price tag of only $549.99. Express yourself by taking the next step in your evolution with the Peak Solice Pro.